Understanding bed leveling, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a term that you might come across in different contexts. Bed leveling. It's a phrase that may not be immediately clear, so we'll break it down together. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in English. Bed leveling refers to the process of ensuring a surface is perfectly flat and even. Although it might sound like something related to furniture, it's actually a term often used in 3D printing. When the printing bed or base is not level, the prints won't come out right. So, bed leveling is crucial for a successful print. In everyday language, you might not use bed leveling literally. However, understanding such specific terms can help you get a clearer picture of technical discussions or instructions, especially if you're interested in areas like manufacturing or design. Context is key in understanding English phrases. The meaning of bed leveling can be quite different if you hear it outside of a 3D printing conversation. Always pay attention to the context to understand the intended meaning. And that's a wrap on bed leveling. I hope this video has helped clarify what it means and how it's used. Remember, understanding the context can make all the difference in learning new English terms. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.